In a world increasingly aware of the impacts of chemical-laden products on our health, the shift towards natural cleaning solutions is gaining momentum. Many people are now choosing to forego conventional cleaning products in favor of those that are natural and less likely to irritate the skin or harm the respiratory system. Anna, a young entrepreneur and passionate advocate for natural products, saw firsthand the detrimental effects that harsh cleaning agents can have. Working in a job that frequently exposed her to industrial cleaners, she developed skin irritations and respiratory issues that nagged at her constantly. Fed up, she embarked on a personal journey to find an alternative. Determined to make a change, Anna delved into research about natural ingredients. She learned about common household items like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon juice, which have properties that make them effective yet gentle cleaners. Excited by her findings, Anna began creating her own cleaning solutions at home. To her delight, not only did her homemade products clean just as effectively, but her skin and breathing troubles began to subside. Encouraged by her success, Anna started sharing her newfound knowledge with friends and family. She hosted workshops on creating natural cleaning products, showcasing simple recipes and the benefits of each ingredient. Her enthusiasm was contagious, and soon, her small community began to make the switch. One day, while facilitating a workshop, Anna met Oliver, a local historian who shared her interest in natural solutions. Intrigued by her passion and knowledge, Oliver told her stories of how his grandmother used to clean with a mixture of herbs and natural oils, a practice handed down through generations. Inspired, Anna and Oliver teamed up to delve deeper into historical cleaning practices, seeking to merge old and new. Their collaboration sparked a unique line of eco-friendly cleaning products, inspired by traditional and modern methods.